Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. So what happened actually yesterday? The market was starting to sell because there was an event, actually high impact news, where Jay Powell was actually testifying. So even today around 4 o'clock p.m. he's just going to repeat the same thing. So we'll be expecting the market to go down. So we saw the market going down because they still very positive about increasing the rates. So before the end of the video, I will be showing you the economic news. And yeah, let's see what's really happening on GBP JPY. So today, guys, we won't be going on our live session. I just need to relax. Then tomorrow we will be stronger. So let's see what's really happening. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening here? We can easily see that GBP JPY, it's actually on a very strong bullish momentum. We were able to see the support resistance going to the upside, and from there obviously we can easily see that even if we say things are the same, but this one is not the same. This thing is seriously bullish. I'm expecting a sort of a reversal, but we did see that reversal yesterday, and I think it's not really enough. I'm still expecting enough push, maybe up to this point, before we see another push to the upside. But what do we see currently? What we see currently is we just have to follow the structure. I can see that on the bottom side here, that is actually my current support. And on top there, I can see that the market created also a resistance, which means the market might be trying to play around these zones until we see a breakout. So, but what I can say is, since we are actually on a bullish momentum, once the market reaches this support area, we are ready to take a buy when the market comes around that area, if the market bounces to the upside. If not, it's where we're going to see a breakout and we can jump for that sell. Do you see that? If it breaks on top here, it means we're just going to continue with that bullish momentum. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like, share with your friends. So now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? Since gold, I hope you did see gold, that it's coming from a very nice uptrend, and you can easily see that. Let me just clear this one. Let me just clear this. The market is coming from a very nice bullish momentum, but yes, along the way we saw a reversal, and I'm expecting a nice push to the upside. Let's see. I'm still expecting a very nice push to the upside, or maybe the market will be trying to break, especially when we are talking about sorry, I even forgot what I was trying to say. So anyway, sorry about that. So I was trying to draw is actually a nice support area, but I start to realize that we also have a horizontal structure which seems to be broken. If you check, we had a very nice structure around this area. Do you see that? We had a very nice structure. So I start to remember that we have something, and let me draw that. Slowly the market is getting out of this structure. So we can easily see that. Firstly, on top there, we can also draw something. Let me draw something like this. Sorry, this thing, when I click, it doesn't really activate. Anyway, it's fine now. So for now, this is what I have, and to be honest, we can say the market, obviously, since this was our previous support, the market firstly actually tested this area, tried to break out. Do you see that? Then came back again, play around this structure of a wedge. But now again, we see, especially yesterday, the market actually tested this area and went even lower, Now it seems like now the market wants to push lower again. So since we know that they said they're going to increase the rates, it makes sense that the dollar is going to get stronger until those July and September, you see. So what I see here is I start to realize that no, man, even if maybe they are on quite similar levels, we have to be smart about this and say, you know what, the market is actually now downtrending. So what after you've done this, you're obviously going to see that, but what if we connect these points? Are they making sense? Let's try, because that horizontal, when times goes on, is no longer going to be valid. So you see, this is what I see now. This is what I now see. You can start to see that, no, man, this thing is creating a very nice downtrend. Even though we had a support, but it seems like the market will be trying to push lower. Do you see that? I hope you see that. If I remove this, you will see that the market is no longer on that type of a structure. Now it seems like the market is doing what? The market is trying to show us that I'm going down. So we might see the market pushing up, but we are sure that the market will be pushing lower. So for now, I can say since the market is down trending, I'm just going to wait for a little push to the upside. Then from this area, we can think about selling, as I see that the market actually broke out of that support. So now we're looking for a downtrend. So this now, actually, we now on gold, we're just looking for a buy. Now I'm just looking for a sell. Yes, there is a chance for the market to reject up to this point, but I'm not just going to just risk it, because we know that the market will end up pushing lower. So I will just wait for a very nice structure where I can call a resistance. Then from there, I know I'm going to jump on this as a sell. You see, now we are on US30. As I did repeat several times, that the market, since the market touched this resistant area, the market started to do what? The market is struggling to push to the upside. And since yesterday, I actually sent the signal in the group. Since yesterday, the market has been struggling. But what I like is we had a support area where the market was also struggling to break. So we had this diagonal. Let me remove this. We had a diagonal structure, this support area, and also here the market was respecting that, very nice, but the market tested this area, pushed the upside. Again, the market started to do what? Now the market is getting out of that. But if you check closer, you will see that we also have this area. Do you see this area? Let me try to zoom out. Zoom what? Zoom in. So you will see that around this area, we're going to have something. Just look at this area. I'm going to go further there. What do you see? Don't you see something there? I see its structure. That's why we have a sell pending order. So once the market reaches this area, obviously I think it's breaking some. They're already jumping on that. It's fine. So I'm expecting the market to continue going lower like that. Sorry guys, for those who wants to be part of the team, if you want to be part of the team, for monthly subscription, if you want some monthly subscription, you going to actually get $35 monthly subscription. So for $150, it's lifetime mentorship. Sorry, membership, not mentorship. So yeah, actually we're going to cover NASDAQ, US30, German 40, France 40, oil, gold, currency pairs, everything actually. And it's lifetime, so you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me if you are interested. Guys, we actually sending some quality stuff. That's why our price is always up. So there's no point going down if we send in some very great information. So what I see here is I just have to mark this area and say if the market goes below that, yes, we will be looking actually to do what? To sell. So here you can see that I marked that area because the market was going down very nice. So my job there was, if the market breaks out of this smaller resistance here, I will be ready trying to buy, but the market was unable to do that. We saw the market trying to break that diagonal support, and now the market is pushing lower. And as we know, the US30 is a bit slower. It's very slow when it comes to selling or buying. It will take time to catch up. So that's what we see actually. So on NASDAQ, we can easily see that actually on my live session, as there was economic news, I told my people that I see that the market might push lower, but I'm not going to send the signal because it might be risky. And I wasn't wrong that much. I see the market is going down, and you know what? Whoever who took that, obviously they are eating, or they did eat yesterday. But what's really happening? We can easily see that yes, the market is, or it was, pushing to the upside, very nice. But down here, I think let's try. I think I see something. I think I see something. No, the market is already above that. I think it's already out. So what I see here is the market is already giving us a sort of a reversal. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame and try to see. I think it's also visible on 4 hours time frame, even if it's big, is little bit bigger. So we can easily see that yes, the structure is quite straightforward. It's an uptrend. We saw where the market was doing its stuff, breakouts, pushing to the upside, and where we are now, we see that the market broke out of this support. That's why we jump. I did not even send the signal, unfortunately, I think, but you saw on our live session. So what I see is the market might find this support here, or even lower. The market might find a support here and start to push higher again, or the market might break this area, push lower, push lower, push lower, around 14,500, 14,400, 14,400, 14,500, between these two here. I think it's where, if maybe this is going to be aggressive sell, it's where I'm expecting the market to reach. Or maybe let's say the lowest support. Let me try to push this further. You see there it's where I'm expecting the market to give us something. Let me remove this so that we can have a clean chart. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting if the market doesn't find a support here, we will see a sell. So around this area, it's where I'm expecting the market maybe to find a very nice bullish momentum. Do you see that? So that's what I'm thinking. So don't forget to smash that subscribe. Oh, I forgot to show you the economic news. So today, if I wasn't tired, actually, I was going to actually stream this GBP interest rates, but it's obvious. We see that their CPI is going up. Their CPI went up yesterday, so you can see that they are forced to increase the rates. They might even increase with a bigger number. So I think I'm expecting them to increase maybe with 50 basis points around this area, around this time, around 1 p.m. So it's still around early. It's very early on our side. So if you trade the news, you can just check out that. I don't know if I will be going live, but just smash that notification, because if I think twice, I might go. But I was planning just to relax, I feel like I seriously feel tired. So I'm expecting to regain some energy today. Then tomorrow will be going back to normal. So 2:30, remember, we have also unemployment claims. This one is going to push the market also, so you should check that. Around 4 o'clock, there's so much stuff going on today. There is actually another high impact news for US. Powell, he will be testifying. So which means we have a very busy day today. GBP USD from 1 o'clock to 2:30, then to a 4 o'clock actually in the evening. So that is actually some serious day. We're going to see some sort of volatility going further. So for those who wants to join the team, you can let me know. I don't know if I closed that page. Let me open that for you. Okay, here it is. So forget about this mentorship, lifetime mentorship. It's actually the them signals. So it's signals. It's not going to be mentorship, guys. mentorship is actually 149, but it's just the same. Okay, yeah, I think it's just the same. Mentorship and VIP signals, if you want that, it's fine, because I see that maybe you might get confused with this pamphlet that I have here. Anyways, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.